This is a lesson on solid environment in Environmental Science and Engineering course. At the end of the course, the students obtain understanding of the solid environmental changes caused by human, predict the solid environmental changes caused by human, and address the issue and mitigate the solid environmental changes caused by human. There are 4 features of the Earth environmental geosphere. These are atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. 6 elements are cycling on Earth, namely carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Before going on, learn the following terminologies. Biogeochemical cycle, which means recycling of the inorganic matter between the living organisms and their non-living environment. Biosphere, which means global system of parts of Earth and the life which exists, as well as the interrelationships between them. And model, meaning representation. Consider an example, linear programming of ecosystem in the biosphere. An ecosystem entity got a goal of maximizing its benefit, which is expressed as 10x plus 12y, where x is the amount of a fuel needed to produce energy, and y is the amount of another fuel needed to produce energy. It is limited to processing 4 units of fuel. The use of the first fuel results to the release of a pollutant quantified as 3 times the amount of the first fuel, and the use of the second fuel is meant to release the pollutant in the quantity of 5 times the amount of the second fuel. The pollutant release of the entity is limited to 15 units. Consider project set 4. Number 1. Prepare a conceptual model or mathematical model for each biogeochemical cycle involving each of the 6 elements mentioned earlier, cycling in the biosphere. Item number 2 in project set 4. Prepare a linear programming mathematical model described in the example given a while ago.